Hello viewers, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Today I will be showing you a quick unboxing video i7 Plus Roomba by iRobot. This is a non-paid, non-sponsored, and non-biased video. I will be giving you my 1000% honest opinion. I own multiple iRobot products including the i7's predecessor, the Roomba 980, and I will be pointing out any noticeable differences today, including good ones or bad ones. Please watch the Roomba i7 Plus in action, and I will give you my opinion at the end of the video.
Alexa, tell Roomba to start cleaning.
Please notice how the black bug on the floor, courtesy of my cat, is no match for the Roomba i7 Plus. In conclusion, I highly recommend the new Roomba i7 Plus if you want your floors completely clean without any effort at all. It is much more quieter and much more efficient than the Roomba 980 with its added options such as smart maps and self-emptying bin. Not having to worry about emptying the bin in order to have a clean home is a lifesaver. Please like my video, subscribe for more information and product reviews on everyday items in the future. Have a great day.